Dumelang, welcome to another episode of Unscripted. My name is Mathawe, Matsapola. I have the man behind the mask today. Mzekezeke. He is back indeed. Welcome to Unscripted.
Hello, Munjani.
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Ngikhona wayiphupha usheba camera.
Ngithandike iphuphe. I didn't want to get the mask, so there is no need to weep. So who's this man behind the mask? Where has he been hiding?
What's even a click control? Neki honor
How many taxes?
Neki na say 100.
So what happened to the taxes?
Didn't busy there go gas.
Okay.
So now as Africa the alien telling they are a spaceship and then they are attacked. Haki Boya knows it already start as a 7.
From 100 to 7.
That's how it available. I king. The king a setting, 100,000. Entertainment industry.
So how has it been since you came back into the industry?
It's only been 1 week. Sure. So I was just recording the new song, the album. I got about many songs. I'm gonna come. New one is much for the full album.
Full album.
For the full album.
I think it's over to you already booked for like 21 gigs.
It's because I've got many songs that people they remember. They just maybe want me to perform the old songs. No, they don't know. They don't know. Matsapola, they don't know.
Mathawe. How many songs do you have? Mathawe.
Like Mathawe. What does that mean?
Mathawe is like a heroine.
You are a hero?
Yes. Mzekezeke.
Yeah, I'm not going to be a hero.
How she see when it's this hot under the mask?
How when I shoot when you're this hot?
No.
That is the same.
I'm not wearing a mask, but you
are. Yeah, I'm hot. I'm hot. This mask is just a generational perpetuation of my hotness.
Of your hotness. Okay. So has it ever happened to you when you come off stage, some of your fans want to take off the mask and see who you are?
Yeah, sure.
How do you deal with that?
I said to them, to their families also, the people who have tried before, rest in peace.
Okay, so who's this man behind the mask? Some people say, who DJs who, and are you DJs who?
Mzekezeke! It's Mzekezeke! But honestly, what's the king? But I understand the Clark Kent, the Superman, the Batman, the Catwoman, the Captain America, the Spider-Man, Abanataba or Kima. Marama American and Tabakutos everywhere. Whatever I tell, Babakutos everywhere. Because because they are concentrating to the wrong thing. They are not concentrating to understanding the Spider-Man effect of Black Panther that the Americans are stealing from Africans to make you happy to celebrate Black Panther. And then they pay and then that movie make $1 billion. And then we don't have an African hero. So I come back to want to do movies, to become the hero, to a heroine. The heroine is the opposite of the hero of a female. So I'm coming here to do that thing. I'm gonna do the movies, I'm gonna do the Popeyes, I'm gonna do all those things for the African continent. And that's what I'm coming here to do. I'm not just coming here to do music. Music is just for me to introduce myself into the market. Mfuna ukwenza ama-picture, mfuna ukwenza ama-shoot, mfuna ukwenza ama-bedspread, mfuna ukwenza ama-toys, mfuna ukwenza imali.
When can we expect all of that?
Mfuna imali yamampele, ama-taxi I'm tired. Imali yama-taxi iza ngama-1,000. Mina ama-taxi engifuna ngama-million. I come back not just for the music. The music is just a gateway for me to go and entertain your children. I want them to have the ketamine from Mzekezeke. I want them to have the papaya from Mzekezeke. I want them to have the toys of Mzekezeke.
When can we expect to see that? Ama toys, ama kittens, ama shirts, Mzekezeke.
Everything is coming.
Coming where?
I got you to see Suid-Afrika. Kata. Sikaita, bikaita hala kana boya ha.
Kana boya ha.
Mudimu wa ona. O halalela.
Mzekezeke is a businessman.
Yeah. to talk about.
So but concentrate on now that you're back.
I don't care.
They must not concentrate on the mask.
I don't care. I don't
So
care. I don't care. I'm just here to come on. I come on. I come on.
Yes, yes.
I come on. I come on. I come with chaos.
Yes.
You understand that song? It's a provide. It just means
chaos. Let's talk about your single. Tell us more about the single that you use.
It's a song of Nyland. Did you hear this thing?
What thing? What thing are you singing about?
Your thing can be your human person that you love. Your thing can be your favorite chocolate. Your thing can be your favorite sneaker. Your thing can be your favorite cold drink. Your thing can be anything for you, for me, for yourself. My thing is this mask. And this mask is made out of the t-shirt that I just double up the scale like this. The t-shirt was right to Mzekezeke. It's just a normal mask. It's not the mask. Lebang kapeng ayah black cell. Lebang kapeng ayah Floyd April weather or May weather. Lebang kapeng ayah labafana basa America bobani konja bani. Hewena anyanis. Balonye mysteriously.
Was Mzekezeke, guys. He's not only come back with music, but expect more from him. Body movie, the toy taban, recently stock sweet. So Mzekezeke is coming back. Thank you so much for coming through.